hard to match up with that. But Rishi, I'm going to request you kindly go back on stage. Anuradha, may I please request you to join him on stage as well. And we've got one more special person you wanted to invite for the official launch rave. So would you please do the honors for us? And let's go ahead and celebrate rave.
He's here.
Oh, okay, just the rave.
So, do you guys, anybody here know about classical music? Oh yeah, Farhan! Dude, you're the best singer in India. Where are you?
No.
We love you, Farhan. You're the best. You should quit acting, quit directing. You're the best singer in India. No, but
Give the mic back.
does anybody know? Anybody know who Salva Ganesh is? So, that's not the best of all. I know you guys have been jailing for a while. Who am I?
No, that's it. Come on. We're taking away the mic from you because everything you're going to say is going to be edited from the video.
Print it.
So ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rishi Shah. Well, we just saw Melissa perform. She truly blew your mind and your socks off. Anuradha, would you please join me on stage to introduce our next performing band, our next performing artists, please?
Our next band here is the Dhol for Souls. This is, people already know them, and I just like to add a little bit that, like, while following our 5 elements theme, these are people who represent Earth, the truly earthy beats. In shamanic traditions, they call it the Pachamama. So here we have Dhol for Souls celebrating the Pachamama energy.
Yeah. Spearheaded by Deepak Bhatt, let's welcome Dhol for Soul. Come on, a louder round of applause. Come on, you can do this. I mean, I know for a fact that you're going to bring this roof down, and that's quite concrete. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure your applause, your whistle, and your cheer for good.
Say what you said on the stage. Yeah. So people can comprehend better.
Okay.
Somebody going to say something?
I'm going to ask you to look in center. Yeah.
Huh.
Sorry, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, ready? Rolling?
Let sound come.
Kabir, close the door.
Yes, hello.
Rishi, what do you have to say about Rave's pre-launch and coming to India now?
I'd like to say that it's very humbling that no one could fill the space of Rave, and it was a really wonderful feeling that the artists, the agencies, the industry asked us to come back and give a voice again to the musicians that I don't believe have the voice. And as I said before, I believe independent music is at a very dangerous place in India. That if Farhan Akhtar is the best singer in India, there's something very wrong, and Rave is not doing the job, which means I'm not doing my job. And I'm calling you guys, as to the press, to help us promote the musicians, not just the music. It's our time to show the world how to love India. We're the best, right?
So Rishi, do you find a lot of difference from then to now since you moved back?
Yes, I do. I believe the young 13 to 21-year-olds are the greatest generation I've ever met in my life. This is the first subcultural generation of Indians. Never before in ancient or modern India has there been thousands of graduates in cinematography, sound engineering, production, UI, UX, and there are jobs for these things now, and I believe that these younger kids, you guys, are much better at it than anybody else. And we're here to celebrate what's best about the youth. I find you guys, we're not qualified to save the world. You guys are qualified to save the world.
So Rishi, people out there want to get associated, how do they do that?
Yes, please come any day to the office. Come to Famous Studios, first floor, Section 8, Studio 8. Oh, shit. Ask for Rishi, ask for Rave. My number's everywhere. We are in the business of celebrating and making dreams come true. And we will do it. Anybody, come. I guarantee you, if you are honest, they'll like it. Be honest.
Rishi, do you also see Rave getting into film music, non-film music? How is it going to be with the talent?
Sure. Yeah. We're doing films, we're doing documentaries. We're taking these kids to Los Angeles. The whole journey is the story. So, film music, yes. I'd rather do regional music. because I think, you know, Hindi is only, what, 40% of the nation? So, yeah, of course. Music is universal, so I would never, of course. I love S.T. Burman, Ali Burman, Manna Day, but we're gonna bring some of that elegance back. Yeah? You kids agree with me? Yeah, you do.
All right, thanks, Rishi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fuck for Hanak.
Wow.
Can I finish a picture?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Let's go do the same thing. What are you doing?
They want me to just sit here. Yeah. I'm okay. Both are lovely.
Yeah, look at him. Lots of love.
I will.
एक मिनट बिना चश्मे के
Yeah, yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
That's all of it. Just
I want you to meet someone very special. Come.
Take more if you want to. If you're
Yeah, you want?
all
No, एक minute. Why don't you do some solo
हाँ
of
जी,
her?
ठीक है. One side is
yes.
दीवाना
Start singing it also already.
कोई कहाँ से
Yeah, just
वो
look at her.
बातें वो मीठी मीठी सी बातें करती है जो दीवाना
Okay? Yeah. Yeah, actually
stunning. Yeah, babe, come.
I know what? You, look at this. Look at that. It's so like gorgeous. Ready, rolling?
Rolling.
Rishita, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे पहले about Rave now coming to India after like a long gap. What do you have to say about Rave and about music?
Okay, firstly, I want to say that the people who are involved doing this are more special to me than actually the magazine. And obviously, it's because of you, Imam Siddiqui, without whom I think I owe him so much in my life. I think the reason I'm doing films is he's behind the Little campaign in my life. I became the little girl because of this man. So now that I'm here for Rave, no, I mean it, and you know it.
Thank you.
I don't have to flatter
Thank
you.
you. Yes, thank
So Rave, of course, is special. It's a great magazine, and I'm glad that you revived it. And of course, music. However, life isn't complete without music. I think music is, your food for your soul, and I think you can't do without music. And it's sad people who don't appreciate music. So I think I love music, and I can't live without it.
And she's a great singer and a dancer, by the way.
Well, a dancer more so than a singer.
But you're good. And
What do you want to say rave के बारे में, म्यूजिक के बारे में?
दरवाजा बंद करोगे तो मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ. The noise is too much.
दरवाजा प्लीज बंद कर दे यार.
One person should just be there.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. कहाँ देख के बोलूँ? आपको देख के बोलूँ? इनको देख के बोलूँ?
Center camera.
Okay. नमस्ते, सलाम, आदाब, वणक्कम, सत श्री अकाल. आज के दिन मुझे बड़ा फ़ख्र महसूस हो रहा है ये बताते हुए कि मैं एक ऐसी मैगज़ीन का जिक्र कर रहा हूँ जिसके साथ मेरा रिलेशनशिप आज से नहीं 16 साल से रहा है. I was part of the original team when Rave was launched 16 years ago. We're reviving Rave. It's India's first music and arts magazine, and it's an honor and a privilege for me to be here with the lady that I discovered way back in '97 when she was still a student and I was a judge at Mood Indigo, where I discovered her and I launched her
11th
career.
standard.
Yeah, so it's for me it's a karmic connection,
Oh, totally, yes.
and it's lovely to be here. It's a pleasure and an honor to have all these gorgeous ladies. This, by the way, is easily one of the most talented graphic designers in the country and the world. My very dear friend Arushi, who's also part of Rave magazine, and inshallah, two of us and the entire team put together will make this happen on a historical note.
Lovely.
So if you talk about your being a contestant, Big Boss contestant रह चुके हैं
जी, जी,
और अब
जी.
Big Boss 10 की बात करें तो और इंटरेस्टिंग होते जा रहा
जी.
है. आप बाबा ने मतलब एकदम तहलका मचा रखा था, तो क्या कहना चाहिए बाबा?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हर साल देखा जाता है ना तो टेरिटोरियल लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं
Yeah.
और हर साल अल्फा मेल्स आते हैं, लेकिन इस बार मैं कहना चाहूँगा हैट्स ऑफ टू विमेंस लिब. इट्स अल्फा फीमेल्स नॉट अल्फा मेल्स.
Yeah.
अगर आप देखो तो the two really interesting characters and personalities personalities for me are clearly Lopamudra and Bani. अगर वो दो नहीं होते तो शायद ये सीजन इतना मजेदार नहीं होता जितना है इसमें।
तो अभी आपको कौन लगता है कौन सा स्ट्रॉन्ग कंटेस्टेंट कौन है?
मेरे हिसाब से वही इंसान जीतने के लायक है जिसने पब्लिक का दिल जीता हो और जो जीतने के लायक हो। मैं ये नहीं बताना चाहूँगा कि मेरा फेवरेट कौन है, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट फेयर टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स इन द हाउस। मैं जब घर में था बहुत से लोगों ने बहुत विशेष टिप्पणी की है मेरे खिलाफ और दूसरों के लिए, तो वो जायज़ नहीं लगता मुझे। इट्स नॉट फेयर टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स इन द हाउस टू गिव माय फेवरेट।
व्हाट अबाउट बाबा, हाउ इज ही?
मैंने बाबा को सलमान से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था, ये बात मालूम है आपको किसी को?
no.
ये मैं सच बता रहा हूँ।
ओके,
तो मुझे अफसोस होता है कि मैंने उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स शेमफुल व्हाट ही हैज डन।
थैंक यू सो
अफसोस होता है। थैंक यू, थैंक यू ऑल।
Thank you.
I needed to do that for you.
मेरे हिसाब से म्यूजिक इज समथिंग दैट binds hearts and frees spirits, as I said earlier, and I think Rave has been the epitome of that same very sentiment. It has, brought new talent to the foray. It has given them a platform, like we just have seen it right now. And I think with Rave coming back to India, we are only going to unleash, the talent that truly exists. I mean, you've got national television that's tapping onto new talent. There are reality shows every day, but why do you need a reality show when you have real bands in action, real people, real music, real sentiments in action? So I think Rave gives all those unheard sentiments a voice, and I just would like to congratulate Rishi and the entire magazine and everybody who's authority on it. All the very, very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.